Welcome back to limited edition, ladies and gentlemen. The 88 Crown Victoria is finally gone. I found a home for it. Let's get started. Well, as the title says, the 88 LTD is finally found a new home, and I'm very happy to report that the car is going to a very, very good home. It is actually going to the same gentleman who has purchased my 2011 Crown Victoria. He's a collector, so the 88 is going into his collection, and I'm very happy to report that the car is not going to be modified. It is not going to be pimped out. It's, no 22-inch rims, no stereos, none of that stuff. It's going to be preserved. It's going to be part of his collection, and I'm very, very happy that I finally found a home for the car, and it's not going to be destroyed. Because if you watch some of my older videos with the 88, I struggled finding the right person for that car, because all I had was degenerates. I don't know why. I don't know why this car attracted all the idiots of the universe. I have no idea. And then the couple of people who said, "Oh, well, I'll preserve it. I'll make, I'll love it, this and that." They never really came through. They never really paid. They never came up with the money. So they all vanished or ghosted me. So there were a couple, but for the most part, the people who wanted to buy it and had the money, they outright said they're gonna fuck it up. So whatever. Anyways, I'm very happy that it's going to live on, it's going to survive, and it's going to be a part of a collection. So it's in good hands. So that's that. And then this video is kind of a quick update on some of my other cars. I'm selling my 99 LS 400, and I think you guys may have seen this car in one of the older videos. This is a 99 LS 400. I think it has about 97,000 miles. It's in really, really good condition. It's all original car. I bought it from the original owner in California. It is, it's very, very difficult to find these cars in good shape, because they're all, just like Crown Vics, they're all beaten to death because they're kind of cheap for the longest time. And I was looking for a black car, and it's very difficult to find a black car in good shape. It still has original paint, original interior, all that sort of stuff. But this was one of those financially irresponsible things that I did with this particular car. I spent ridiculous amount of money getting this car up to speed mechanically, because when I got it, it was really neglected. It needed a lot of service, a lot of stuff. And I came to find out that Lexus parts and service are very expensive. All the service was done at the JM Lexus, which is a local, Lexus dealership. So they did a ton of work on this car. I have a stack of receipts this big. I've been adding them up before I put my advertisement up on the internet. I have an Excel spreadsheet with all this stuff. So far, I'm at about $42,000. Yes, 42 grand invested in this car last year alone. And I have completely sorted this car out mechanically, and again with all OEM parts and stuff like that. And a lot of the stuff was impossible to find. A lot of the stuff that I bought from the dealer was the last one in the country. And I'll give you an example like this. When I got the car, the windshield had a little chip in it, and I replaced it with an original Toyota, Lexus windshield. It says it here somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, right there. It says Toyota here. And this was the last one in the country. So, a lot of the parts for these cars are discontinued, and it's difficult to find. And I was able to source most of the stuff. And I'll make a separate video with this car. If anybody's interested, we'll get into that in detail. We still have this. I have another car coming in. This is actually not mine. This car belongs to a good client of mine. I'm just trying to help him sell it. It's a 2010 GT Premium. I got some mods, stuff that I don't like, but it's got the Cervinus hood, Foose wheels, some modifications to the engine, like Ford Racing intake and throttle body, BBK headers, exhaust. It's pretty loud, it's got some mods. It's in really nice condition. So if anybody wants the Mustang, hit me up. All my info is in the description, or lemotorcars.com. And that's kind of a quick update. The 88 is gone, so no more Crown Vics for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.